Aesculus pavia is a red buckeye. This is from a large shrub to a small tree. Sometimes multiple stems. You also see occasionally a single stem. The leaves are an opposite arrangement, palmately compound. So here's an example of the leaf. You have the petiole, and then you have the 5 leaflets, occasionally up to 7, but typically 5 leaflets, all connected at the central point there. The margin on these leaflets are a fine sawtooth, deep green. This plant needs a lot of protection in Oklahoma. We will only see one in our lab. It's not planted very often just simply because it really can't stand the heat of Oklahoma. But if you do have a protected area that has room for a small tree, it would be a possibility for that. The stem is kind of a brown to grayish brown, has a very distinct terminal bud with very visible bud scales. This terminal bud is set in the summertime and fall for the spring flowers. So you see these panicles, clusters on the ends of the branches of these dark red tubular shaped flowers. They're very showy for just a short period of time. The fruit is this seed capsule. There may be from 1 to 3 seeds in the capsule with a smooth covering. If you've already seen the Texas buckeye, this plant is very similar. They're kind of hard to tell apart unless they're in bloom, but the fruit is one way you can tell them apart. This is a smooth seed covering, whereas on the Texas buckeye you have spikes on this similar covering.